Question number 2 from exercise 13.2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume the outer and inner dimension of the model to be nearly the same. Let us understand the question. So Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shape like cylinder. So there is a cylinder model like cylinder, two cones attached to its two ends. One end, one cone, another end, another cone, made up of thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is from here to here. It is 3 centimeter, meaning this is 3 centimeter. Then the diameter of the cone is also 3 centimeter. Okay, if diameter is 3 centimeter, then radius will be d by 2, which is 1.5 centimeter. Radius will be 1.2. Then if
0.5.
1.5, yes,
5.
1.5. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, the height of this cone is 2 centimeter, the height of this cone is 2 centimeter, and total it is 12 centimeter. Okay, then 2 and 2, if you subtract from 12, 12 minus 2 minus 2, 12 minus 4, which is 8. Then the height of cylinder from here to here is 8. Find the volume of air contained in this. So in this cylinder, what is the volume of air? That is what we have to find. So let us start. Volume of air. Volume of air in the model is equal to volume of the model. We can tell this, right? And volume of model is equal to volume of two cones and volume of cylinder. Volume of model is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of first cone plus volume of second cone, because there are two cones here. So volume of cylinder is nothing but pi r square h, this volume of this cylinder, plus volume of cone. What is the volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r, pi r square h.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
How to remember that volume of cone formula?
this, see here, the cylinder, think of a cylinder, think of a cylinder, think it, there is water in this, okay. If I cut out a cone from this, if I take a cone from this cylinder, I can get 3 full cone full of water. Okay, means from one cylinder, I if I take the same height cone, I can fill 3 cones. volume of one cone is equal to 1 by 3 of volume of one cylinder. So the volume of cone is 1 by 3 of volume of cone. Meaning, let me tell the example. If the volume of cylinder is 9 centimeter cube, then of height, some height, okay? If the same height is given for a cone and same radius, then this will be one third of this divided by 3. 3. So volume of this will be 3, given that same height and same radius. Okay, I hope you understood. So this is volume of cylinder and this is volume of cone. Again, we have another volume of second cone because we have one cone, another cone. Second cone is also 1 by 3 pi r square h. So am I right?
Yes, sir.
So let us find the values. So pi r square h. Pi is pi, r is, shall I write r is equal to, we can write here they are given diameter 3. I can shall I write r is equal to 3 by 2 directly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will
Yes,
write
sir.
r is equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2 whole square. And what is h? H, this is h of cylinder. Let me write it as h dash. What is that h? H dash. What is h? H of cylinder. From here to
8.
here, it is 8 because total from here to here it is 12. In that you just subtract this 2, we get 8. So into 8 plus 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is, what is r? Yes, 3 by 2 whole square, and h of this one is into 2.
2.
The same thing, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into h, r is r. I wrote pi 22 by 7. R is 3 by 2 whole square, and h, this h is, h of cone is, so this I did not write as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 8 plus 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 2 plus same thing again repeats, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 2. Did I do any mistake? I hope no.
No, sir.
2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we 22 by 7 into 3 threes are 9, 9 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18. Okay, plus 2 2 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 22 threes are 66 by 7 twos are 14. Okay, then plus same thing happens here. So it cancel, cancel. We can cancel this also, right? 1s are 11. Alva. So 11 33 by 7. Here also we'll get 2 sevens are 2 threes are 2 threes are. So we got, so if we solve this, If we solve this, we get 56.57 plus, if we solve this, 33 divided by 7. If we solve this, we get 4.7 plus 4.7. Okay. So if let us add all this, 56.57 plus 4.7, 4.7. If there is nothing, we can put 0. This is 7. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7. What is this?
19.
14, 9, 1, 10, 15, 1, 6. This
6.
one, 65.97. 65.97, which is 66 centimeter cube approx. We have to write approx because this is almost 66, right?
Yes, sir.
Centimeter cube. This is almost 66. We can write this. So this is the volume of air. Now write in sentence. Therefore, the volume of air in the model is 66 centimeter cube. I hope you understood this. Have a look at the complete solution. This is the complete solution. If you want, you can do this separately, then this separately, and then this separately. Both are okay. Okay. Thank you.